Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about a smartwatch which has been launched recently in the market from Boat, named as Boat Enigma. So we'll be talking about those specs and everything. So the first thing is just its basic specs. It comes with 1.54 full screen touch display, and there is always on option as well, in the sense when you just enable this always on, your screen will be always on. So that's it. In the sense, like this feature is not a good option, but still for some people, if they want to enable this always on, make sure that your battery performance also will depend depending upon this thing. So this specs is being available here, and the next thing, it comes in round shape, built-in aluminum. So all those basic specs, it can be connected in both Android and iOS. You can connect via Bluetooth, and you can enable your like any notifications, alert messages, reminders, or text messages, calls, and anything from your smartphones. You can just bring it bring it the same screen on your smartwatch. So all those basic specs, everything is available in this smartwatch as well. So we'll just move to the main specs so the first thing is we'll talk about the sensor part. So here the company is giving you SpO2 sensors, where with help of it you can measure the quality of oxygen, like the measure of oxygen level in your body. So for doing this, what basically the sensor does is it will just send infrared rays directly to your skin, and it is purely it is not harmful. So it will just enter to your skin, so where it will just measure the color of your blood. So depending on the color of the blood, it will come to a conclusion like how is your oxygen level in your body. So that's it. So this is what basically this SpO2 sensor does. And the next thing is they are giving you 24/7 heart rate monitoring. So where like lots of people, so you can see your heartbeat rates, and if there any problem for any higher peoples, then you will be getting the alert notifications, all those stuff. So this comes under the sensor part. The next thing is here the company is giving you a wellness mode. So where it will start analyzing your sleep cycles, like sleep activities, like how much hours you are going to deep sleep, and how much time, like how much hours in a day you are sleeping, taking rest. All those data will be available there. And in addition to that, you will be also getting the calories burned on a single day, the number of steps, and the distance which you traveled on a single day. So all those stats and everything you will be getting under this wellness part. So this is about its like in the main specs first part. So the next thing is we'll just talk about its fitness part. So in the fitness part, here the company is giving you around 8 sports mode, so which includes like cycling, walking, table tennis, badminton, and so on. So here when you choose any modes, depending upon that, the data will be collected. In the sense, suppose if you're going for walking, then your calories burn, your heartbeat rates, your SpO2 sensors, like measure of oxygen levels, all those things will come into account, and it will start getting the data. So you can start analyzing. So this is about its fitness part, and since there is fitness part here, you will be getting sweat and water resistance. Here the company is giving you 3 ATM. So where with help of this you can go for any splash or sweat resistance. There is going to be no issue for your smartwatch. So that's it. So this is about its fitness part. So the next thing is the new features which is being launched in the smartwatches. So the first feature is about its smart gestures, which is going to be so cool, and it is going to be so much useful for lots and lots of people who want to use smartwatch as well. So with help of this smart gestures, just with a shake of your hand, your watch will start to open, like the screen will be on. And suppose if you want to take any photos or just change your faces and so, then you can just shake the watch, and if you want, when you just long press on the screen, the brightness of your watch will be increased. So like here some cool smart gestures the company has given you, so which is also quite good, and depending upon this brightness which you are increasing, automatically your battery performance also will go. So this is about its smart gestures part. And the next thing is the company is giving you an echo mode. So this echo mode is quietly almost similar to like in our smartphones. Like you take any smartwatch, there'll be an option where lots of people will enable it, background data, like don't run on background. So you'll always disable that feature. So why? Because your battery, your phone performance, and everything will go. That same thing, that same mode is just changed as echo mode and is brought in this watch. So that's it. So where with the help of this echo mode, some of the features which you are not using currently, like in your smartwatch, will automatically go to its sleep mode. So it will be automatically inactive, and whenever you want those mode, you can just enable it and get it back. So this is what this echo mode does, and with the help of this, your battery performance also will be drastically increased. So this is about its all new features and everything which is available here, and some basics which are left out is here. You'll be getting this guide for all your breathing practices and meditation stuff. So during those times, this guide will just start giving voice comments where you can do all your stuffs and so. So you'll be getting those things. And coming to the final part is, suppose if you're planning to purchase it, you'll be getting an addition gray strap which is completely free, and you'll be getting 1 year warranty as well if you're planning to purchase it. So this is about this full watch, and the final thing is about its price. So the price of this watch comes around like 3,000 Indian rupees, and it is available on Amazon right now. So I'll put the link in the description. You can directly purchase it. But currently, if you check it out, it will be out of stock. So please make sure on the next upcoming sale you can purchase it. So that's it. So this is about the full stuffs about this Enzima watch. So the thing like which I want to say here is on my personal suggestions and everything. In this watch, there are two things which the company till now they did not discuss. So one is the sensor for women's, like where it will measure like its menstrual cycles for women's and so like dates of periods and so. So that sensor, the company is not reveal like whether it's there or not. And the next thing is about the battery capability, like what is the battery size, like 200 mAh or 300 mAh. So these two things are not being opened out by the company till now, even on Amazon as well. Like if you just go to the specs and everything, it is not available till now. So these two things are not available. But on my personal perspective, what I'm saying is, on October, Boat released a smartwatch named as Boat Storm, so which was around 2,000 Indian rupees. So in that watch for 2,000, there were these both things. That is, there were sensors for women's, like where they can know their menstrual cycles and so. And in addition to that, they were giving battery capacity of around 2000, like 210 mAh. So like on my personality, on seeing those data, here the price of this watch is around 3,000. So since the price is also increased, they will pakka include somewhat higher specs. In the sense, like here also you'll be getting the sensors for menstrual cycles for women and so. And in addition to that, talking about the battery, here it may be almost equal or greater than 210 mAh, because like this is just the next model which been launched by Boat after Boat Storm within a period of 2 months. So keeping in company's point of view, pakka they will make all the people to go for this model. So on looking on those things, on traffic point of view, they will pakka increase the battery life as well, on my personal perspective here. But other than that, talking about the watch, it is quite good. You'll be getting this echo mode, smart gestures look so cool, and all other things. And suppose if you're planning to buy this watch for like fitness point of view or sports mode and everything, I would suggest you to please go for fitness bands. There are lots of fitness bands which is specially made for those types of peoples, like those type of peoples who are in those environments, like intense workout, cardio workouts and so. So this is like a base watch, like smart watch. That's it. It is not a fitness band. So there is a huge difference. So that's the thing which I want to say here. But still, if you're planning to go for this Storm, which is for 2,000, please save just 1,000 Indian bucks and please go for this Enigma. It is quite good. It looks so cool as well, and it's worth it just 3,000. So this is my personal suggestion on this watch. So this is end of this video. If you have any doubts related to this watch, please comment below. I'll pakka reply to it. So hope so you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. So like this content, I'll just meet in the next video. So till then, peace from K Square. Bye.